Hi, I'm Helene from PamPam, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use it. So PamPam is a tool to make and share online guides and maps. So if you go to our templates page, you can see some of the examples of things you can make. So for example, event calendars, city guides, resource hubs, people directories, business directories, store locators, real estate maps, Airbnb guides, wedding maps, and of course, city guides and travel guides. So when you create an account, you'll get a profile. So this is what my profile looks like. So you can add a bio, social media links, and separate your maps out into different sections. So this is really helpful if you're a person or a business that needs to make a bunch of different maps and want a simple place to link out to it. You can also hide some of the maps from here in case you need to make some maps more private. So let's go ahead and make a map, and we have other tutorials that go more in depth about how to make a map, but I'll just give you a quick tour. So PamPam is just in the browser, which means that you can just share any of these maps with a link. So once you start making your map, you can just go to share and then copy that link. So you don't need to save it, everything just auto saves and you can just copy that link. You can also embed the map on your website, so you can copy this embed code and embed it on your website. You can make the maps viewable, but also editable if you have friends and you want to just collaborate. Okay, so in this panel is where you'll see kind of like the description of your map, and you can add social media links or a link to your website, and you can start adding places. Adding places is the main way to add things in PamPam. So let's just start by adding a city, but you can add restaurants, the name of places, really anything that you can find on Google Maps. So we've added that, and you can continue adding places manually, but we have a bunch of different ways to add too. You can add with AI or import from a link or a text or a blog article. And then we also have this toolbar that allows you to add things directly to the map. So if we click on this pin, you can add things directly there. We also have custom stickers, so you can customize the ways things look. And with PamPam, you can not only just add places, but you can also add events and people as well. So if this was a person, it would kind of show up more like a person. If we had an event attached to this, it would show up that way too. You can also add links and videos directly to the map. So if you had a YouTube video, TikTok video, Instagram reel, then you would add the link here, click add, and then it just drops it directly on the map. And then you can view the video here. And then if you want to actually update this to the right location, you would just paste in the address there and click update. You can also add photos directly to the map. There we go. So, and again, you can just update the address by pasting in the address here. Finally, you can switch the color themes. You can use AI to add places to the map. You can also import from Airtable if you have your places in a spreadsheet. And you can customize the fields that actually show up in the panel, as well as add custom buttons. So in summary, it's a really customizable way to create custom guides and maps that you can then share in a link or embed on your website. You get a profile with it too. So if you found this useful, definitely check out some of the other videos and hit subscribe, and make sure to check out PamPam.